Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm the Everyday DIY Guy, and I wanted to do a little bit of an introductory video to sort of explain what my channel is all about, and sort of segue a little segue into some of my videos as we go along. So I created this channel because, well, for a lot of reasons, really. I wanted to give homeowners, especially new homeowners, some tips that I've learned over the years, and to really hopefully inspire people to do more DIY projects on their own. I feel like it's sort of a lost thing these days is to actually fix something on your own. It's so easy to just go out and buy something or hire someone to do it. But really, a lot of the projects that we hire out or buy something new for are things that can simply be fixed at home. And there's a lot of good resources out there. So really, what I'm going to do is take you along for the ride and just video a lot of the projects that I work around on my house, around the house, in the lawn, and hopefully you'll pick something up from it. Hopefully it's a little bit entertaining. I'm new at this, so my editing skills aren't the greatest, but hopefully I'll learn some things along the way with that as well, and incorporate those into some of my videos. But again, this is a channel really hopefully that if you're looking for how to fix something or how to do something around the house, maybe I've created a video for it down the road, and hopefully you click on it and learn something. Feel free to provide any feedback if I'm doing something wrong. I'm certainly not a professional, and that's one thing that I do want to explain right off the bat is, look, I'm not a professional I'm not a professional carpenter. I'm not a professional lawn guy, but what I'm really trying to do is show you what a homeowner can do to save some money, have some fun, and get projects done around the house. Thanks for watching.